Josh Niels here, Director of Sales with the Elite Group Property Inspections. I wanted to personally thank you for choosing the Elite Group for your home inspection. Now you have another choice. Should you choose the Elite Base Package or the Elite Plus Package? Dustin, how about you tell our customers a little bit more about our Elite Base Package?
Will do. Our Elite Base inspection is a phenomenal inspection. It's the inspection we have produced and perfected over 35 years. Our clients will receive a home inspection completed by a certified inspector trained to inspect over 1,800 items in the home through all the major systems. A professional and digital photo report with a summary page that highlights areas to focus on. An infrared scan is also included. This tool assists our inspectors in finding HVAC air duct leakage, electrical hotspots, and moisture leaks. Your inspection comes with a 90-day warranty for items found to be in working condition at the time of our inspection. Our Elite Base package is a gold standard in the industry.
The Elite Plus package includes everything in the base package. Above and beyond that, it includes a repair price report on the defects we specifically found in the home. This tool is a guide and should be used as an informational tool. It's the next best thing to an actual quote. Our Elite Plus package also includes a 5-year platinum roof protection, an NXT structural warranty with up to $100,000 in coverage, Mold Safe, which protects clients from mold they may find within the first 90 days of moving in, as well as a Sewer Guard warranty, which offers 90 days of protection on the underground sewer lines. Either product you choose is a great choice.
So there you have it, the difference between our Elite and our Elite Plus packages. If you want to read more about these, please visit our website at eliteinspections.com or call 800-494-8998. We thank you for being a valued customer.